Hey, it's Sam here, and this is the Royal Kludge F99. It's a 96% wireless mechanical keyboard with a retro design and clean sound signature. Priced at $75 US, there are 3 colors and switch options available, and I have the mocha brown version paired with the linear cream switches here. In the box, there's the user manual booklet, a Type-C to C cable with a Type-A adapter, a switch and keycap puller, 4 extra switches, a hard plastic protective cover, and the keyboard itself, which weighs just over 1 kg or 2.3 pounds due to its mostly plastic case. For the design, the keyboard has the standard 96% exploded layout with 4 indicator lights above the arrow keys, the Royal Kludge logo located on the front, the Type-C port on the left side on the back, 4 non-slip feet on the bottom with 2 additional height adjustable ones so you can increase the typing angle, a magnetic slot for the 2.4 GHz wireless receiver, and the tri-mode toggle switch here. Additionally, the keyboard comes with cherry profile double shot PBT keycaps with the functions printed on the front, Royal Kludge linear cream switches that are pre-looped and have a clean sound signature, pre-loop plate-mounted stabilizers with minimal rattle and some foam dampeners at the spacebar, a tray-mounted steel plate with no flex whatsoever, and a 5-pin hot swap south-facing PCB with per-key RGB featuring jersey hot swap sockets. Diving into the components inside, the case is held together with clips and 4 hidden screws. 2 of them are located under the non-slip feet with another 2 located under the adjustable feet. With the clips of the case open and the screws removed, the PCB can be disconnected from the battery and daughterboard. So in the bottom case, there's a piece of foam to dampen the typing noise, the 5000 mAh battery on the right with the daughterboard on the left, and the stems for the tray-mounted design scattered around the bottom case. Moving on to the plates and PCB, they are held together with 5 screws, and there's 3 layers of sound dampening mods sandwiched in the middle. This consists of a PET sheet, an IXPE switch pad, and a Tamron plate fold. Carrying on to the software, the keyboard supports the Royal Kludge web-based driver and the Royal Kludge keyboard driver. With this, you can set different profiles, remap the layers and keys, record and import macros, configure the RGB lighting effects, brightness, speed, sleep timer, and color, switch between work and gaming mode, and download the software here. Speaking of the software, you can basically do the same things with the addition of creating your own custom RGB lighting effects. Diving into the performance, the typing experience is nice with a stable and consistent feel. The 96% layout is great too if you're using this for work and even gaming. On the topic of that, there was no noticeable lag or latency while gaming with the wired and wireless 2.4 GHz mode. Anyway, that was everything about the keyboard. Now please enjoy the typing sound test. Okay, here are my final thoughts on the Royal Kludge F99. For $75, you're getting a really nice 96% keyboard that's great for work and gaming. The retro color and design is simple too, without any gimmicks or features like a volume knob and screen. So if you're looking for a plain and simple wireless mechanical keyboard with a numpad that sounds pretty good, the Royal Kludge F99 is a solid choice. As usual, everything will be linked in the description below if you're interested, and that does it for this video. Thanks to Royal Kludge for the keyboard, and thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one.